Well, here she is. I haven't done an update in a while. That's because everything I'm doing isn't really picture worthy. Working on running boards and steps today. They were a mess. I had to rebuild quite a bit. And lucky enough the original rad fit. You can see how much I lowered it because of all the rads sticking out the hood now. But it all fits under the hood. Yeah, oh, I should show you how much room the motor takes up in the cab. Yeah, cab over. Cab over the engine. Well, there's a lot of engine in the cab. Rust repair finished the other day. So now I can install the steering column. Took the dash out. The mice had their way with it, so it's all got to be rewired. Still some welding to do on the box. 72 feet of stitch welding total. Oh yeah, got the drive shaft in. And I have a fuel tank to get put in. It's just over here. So yeah, getting closer. For all you that were wondering if I was still working, I am.